Hello, this is Michael Rashad. In this video tutorial we're going to discuss sale items as opposed to rentals, and they're slightly different. Items can always be for rent or for sale, but when you check an item for sale it gives you a lot more options. So let's check it here, and the moment we check its sale, the track inventory option appears. HirePower is tracking all items in inventory. What this specifically refers to is tracking items that you are buying and selling constantly. So you're bringing them in, you're selling them, and you're ordering more. Now if we check the track inventory box here, you'll see that the inventory tracking panel opens up and we can enter a start quantity received and sold are calculated as is in stock and the minimum level you enter. When you check the breakout box here with an X, it then shows you some additional information, and you can record how that particular product is coming in. In this case it's cling film, and we're bringing it in rolls. The unit of measures is yards because it's in yard lengths, and what we want to do is put the number of units per unit of measure. Now this is a little bit complicated to explain. It's not that complicated to use. What we want to do is we want to take the minimum size unit that you sell. So in other words, this is rolls and it comes in yards, or it's in yard length. So we might sell it by the roll, we might sell it by the yard, and we might sell it by the foot. Now if we're selling it by the foot and it's a 100-yard roll, then the units per unit of measure would be 300. And we then enter the individual units of measure and the number of units that refers to and the price. And as you can see, we've entered feet, 1 unit, because there's 300 units in a roll at $1.25. A yard is 3 units, 3 feet, and a roll is 300 units, 300 yards, 300 feet. And when you add those items to an order, then you get to choose which unit of measure and which pricing they're going to be using. So it's very simple. Now if you don't need to break out the product, you simply uncheck it and all that information disappears. And then if we uncheck inventory, all the inventory tracking information disappears. And if we track inventory and we go back to rental, all of that information disappears also. That's all there is to it. It's Michael Rashad. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.